Alright, here we are at 9-4. Pick a card. So what we're going to do here is we're going to be talking about having these 5 cards. Alright, so we've got 5 cards. One is red, one is yellow, one is green, one is white, and one is black. You mix up the cards and select one of them without looking. Then, without putting that back, you mix up the remaining cards and select another one. Write the sample space and tell how many possible outcomes are they. Okay, so let's talk about the possibilities here. Alright, so I'm going to put some text in here. I'm going to write a sample space. Alright, so say the first card we pick is red, okay? So we could pick red, yellow, and then we could pick red, green. Or we could pick red, white, or we pick red, black. Now the next one, say we pick yellow. So yellow's first. Then we can put yellow red, yellow green, yellow white, or yellow black. Okay, but we can never pick yellow yellow, and we can never pick red red, right? Because we didn't put the card back. So the card is no longer in that pile. Okay, so the next one we can pick is green, right? We can put green, red, green, yellow, green, white, or green, black. But never green, green, because we don't put the card back. Then maybe we pick white first, and then red, and then white, yellow, white, green, and white, black. And lastly, we could pick black first, and then a red, or black, yellow, or black green, or black white. So here's all our possible answers that we could have. And how many are there? Well, there's 4 for each color, right? So red, yellow, green, white, or black. So there's 5 times 4, so there's 20 possible answers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there are 20 total outcomes. 20 total outcomes. Alright, so the structure that we use to write our outcomes. Well, I used a list. I thought a list was really easy. You could have used a table. You could have used a tree. Any of those would have been possible. Alright, what is the probability that you get a white card and a red card in either order? Okay, so let's look. Which ones have white and yellow? Okay, let's see. Or I'm sorry, white and red. White and red. So, well, here's one, right? Is there another one in here? It's right here. So now our probability for picking a red and white card together is 2 out of 20. But once again, 2 out of 20 is not in simplest terms, right? They're both divisible by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 20 divided by 2 is 10. Oh, I wrote the wrong number. Okay, there we go. All right, you get a black card either time, okay? So let's look at all the times the black comes up in here. So we have, in our first set, we have black right here. Okay, we got black right here, black right here, black right here, and then look, we got this is a black, this is a black, this is a black, and this is a black, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is 8 out of 20. And this is also not simplest terms. They're both divisible by 4. 4 goes into 8 2 times. And 4 goes into 25 times. So I have a 2 out of 5 chance of getting a black card. You do not get a black card either time. Okay, so let's get a new color out here. Let's do. Alright, so we have no black here, no black here, no black here. Oh, black. No. Oop, yep. Yep. And then none of these. So if we look at this, it's really just all the other answers, right? So instead of it being 8 out of 20 this time, we're going to be 12 out of 20. And once again, not simplest terms, so let's divide each one by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. And 20 divided by 4 is 5. So we have a 3 out of 5 chance of getting a combination without a black card. All right, D, you get a blue card. Ooh, okay. We get a blue card, right? Do we have blue cards? There's no blue, right? We have red, yellow, green, white, or black. We don't have blue. So that's never going to happen. So that's no chance, right? No chance. Okay, and then E says you get 2 cards of the same color. Now we talked about this earlier, right? Because we're not putting the cards back in. Is that ever going to be possible? And the answer to that is no, it's not possible. So we'll brush back out. So that is not possible, right? So not possible. All right, and the last one says you get 2 cards of different colors. Well, when you don't put one back, every single time you're going to get 2 cards of different colors because there's only one of each one. So that is always possible.